We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.